Good morning, guys, and welcome to a brand new week. It's Monday today. Oh, okay. Taking the boys to school. I'm really excited about this week, but y'all will find out about this week later on in the week. But it's a really exciting week for me. Just the whole week as a whole. Just the week as a whole. But from Wogo, I just thought I should say welcome to the new subbies, which I don't have, but welcome to everyone, and thank you to everyone who, decided to stay. And yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoy the content. Yeah, thank you guys.
Downstairs. And also, yeah, I just want to do this call actually so it's not really packed out. So I don't have anywhere to do it. Maybe put on a little bit of makeup and some wig, makeup, and show off my clothes. You guys will see the haul on Wednesday. Definitely coming up.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back.
I was just taking out the trash because I'm just trying to mop my floors. It's a lot. I washed all the dishes, but I didn't mop the floors. Let me just turn up the volume just a little bit, or pause it. Let me just pause it. Okay, so I want to do an unboxing because my parcel came through from Take A Lot. I know what it is, obviously, because I ordered it. Yeah. What, babes? Yeah, man, let me get you a check. Hold on. I want to unbox with you guys this parcel. What a new microphone. So since I did buy the... Yay! Okay, since I did buy the new camera, okay, I was saying, so firstly, I bought myself another tripod. That's very clear. I lost, wait, I want to show you what I lost. I lost this part, the screw actually, not the actual part, but I lost the screw part, Landuba Ushi, inside of the end of the camera. So it's this Gorilla camera, which I find it very much, there's a different one, but I find it like really nice and cheap, and I think it's really sturdy. It was by Fika. Like, I think there's like a difference, and Ilan has been taking these things off. This was 114, I think they take it because of that. 114 or 115, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what I bought. Well, and that's the reason why I bought it. I obviously need it, and it also comes with a mobile what phone. But this is the main thing that I was buying. It's just that being my fee, 450, and I'm not gonna coop her 65 rand. I might as well like buy something for 100 bucks and just, So I bought this microphone because obviously I have a new camera, and I feel like the quality, I haven't actually posted any videos with the new camera yet, but for me, when I play back, it sounds like the quality is not that great. And when I was watching, reading the reviews, will Take A Lot, basically, this is like recommended, especially if you have a camera. Wait, why is my fridge making such a loud noise? The other fridge is making a lot of noise now. Okay, anyway, they recommend this, and I think they come in retail layer for 4 grand more. You get this, and you get a tripod, but I think a tripod is a JB, and then you get exactly this. So I thought, you know what, because I got this camera on special, let me just get the camera, and then there's Balena, that one, and it was also on special. So it comes with, I think these are stickers. It comes with warranty card, and I think this is just the manual. And finally, I'm not guys there for the manual. I'll just go along the one. if it works or not. And it comes with this little furry thing, and apparently this is like real under that makes like your sound quality really good. It comes with, I don't know what these are, but there's, yeah, I don't know what they are, but okay. Where's the actual microphone? Is this the actual microphone? Oh, this is the microphone. I know this is the microphone, but I thought there was like, because look at the picture, like figure. It's like so. So I thought this maybe was like the cover, and then there's gonna be like a microphone somewhere, and it comes with a carry case. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. Moving on. Apparently it's like really good. This thing blocks out the like the wind. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's the microphone. I thought it's like this. So the microphone is in there. So yeah, that's what I bought. But for now, I just wanna fix my life. In terms of, I'll read this on the way. So I know that you put this here, fuck it here, then you fuck it here. Right. Yeah, I guess that's good. So again, yeah. So I'll see. Right, we are on our way to fetch I think it was Zuzu, yeah. So let's go. I think I want to go to Kicks after, because I think we need a few toiletry stuff. Why is it so dark now? So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, we're back with the boys. I just wanted to show you a few things that I did buy. I went past this camp. I thought the things didn't, well, I needed a lot, but I decided, but okay, let me just buy whatever that I need. Benetang a roll on initially, but there was no roll on there. Benetang a roll on the serum. So, firstly, I bought this. Some body lotion. I find that some of say enjoyer. I bought, I think these were 2 for 45. One bit is part because I'm ilang up in Lilin. These were 2 for 45. I bought this. I saw it on TikTok. Why isn't it focusing? I saw this on TikTok. The game. Apparently it's like a, I think it's 39 Rand. It's like one of the cheap things that actually work. Bought some glycerine soap. What else did I buy? I bought some razors. Not much of a shaver, but I feel like I need to shave my legs. I don't have hair. My armpits don't have hair, and my other lady parts don't have a lot of hair, so I don't really need to shave. I'm gonna go some money. And then I also bought some body wash. This is the main thing that I actually went to go buy. I had run out a few months ago, but I never went back and bought it. So focusing, there we go. So, and I felt like it really was good for my skin. So I thought, why not? I'm joking. And I went to buy Pep. And I bought some magnolia oil because it's winter now. Now I actually use shea butter. Then I'm putting that's why it's here, because they were using it in the morning. Do you want to go? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook, and then there's it's on. I'm gonna make some pasta. So yeah, okay, bye guys. Which I am delivering some scones. I was supposed to buy but I put on some foundation. Can you guys tell? It turns out I ran out of concealer, so I'm not concealer, but in fact just foundation. And then I tried to do my, what is it? My shears. Guys, can you legelele the machine? Legelele pale and funa mashia are on point. I'm joking. I don't really care about the shear. I could do anything else. I could do the ngopias. I love the ngopias. I would live with the ngopias. It's the shear. I can't stand the shear. I think like makeup shear. So I think that's why I'm not bothered about actually doing makeup like on a full-time basis, because I wouldn't be able to keep up with the shear. I actually frankly do not like the shear, but I've been enjoying the new shears that I've been seeing, where you like kind of draw like a natural shear. It's that shear, the other shear, the black shear. So I'm on my way. Yes.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right.
It's the next day, obviously. Well, not really, not obvious. But it's not the next day. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and I'm already hungry and full of early breakfast. Hey, my phone is frozen. It's like a wish. It's frozen, and I think it's been like this for the past hour. Otherwise, I'm about to make myself breakfast. John. My fingerprint is not working. But anyway, let me just make myself breakfast. I'm so hungry. The bub was awake. She woke up all on her own, and then she slept in the car. There's so many ways
to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
Hi guys, I'm talking a bit lower voice today because I just slept, and I don't know if you guys have noticed if I'm on the camera, if I'm like recording from this angle. So I just wanted to show you a few things that I bought. My pantry. So I decided moving on now, I want to be intentional about buying stuff for my pantry, because I think since I started this channel that I'm gonna do like a pantry makeover. So what I did do is I bought this. This is for my bulk shopping, like using this funny flour and like I'm not really too much. I am into aesthetics, but I mean, where am I gonna get a 20 liter that is aesthetically pleasing? It's not gonna happen. So I decided that I'm gonna buy these. I've already put in our dog food. It does look big, but it's like 10 liters. It doesn't look big, it's 10 liters, but it's not big. It's not enough for the dog food, so I need to get another thingy, but it is enough for things like sugar. But Nazomos, obviously, I do put them into like other containers. So I bought this. Bought 3 of these. I already had one up in Gini. And then I went to Pep. Wait, let me show you what I bought at Pep. I went and I bought these canisters. I wanted to buy more of these canisters. In fact, I still want to buy these because they're really expensive. I only bought 3. I bought the big one, which is 64 bucks, 99, and I bought funny enough, look, Pep didn't have like what's this, newspaper. I bought the middle one, which is 59 bucks, and I also bought Levin Tatai, the small one, which is I think 54 bucks. Yeah, so I bought 3 of those. And then, what else did I buy at Pep? I bought one of these because I'm not sure why. I think I needed oh, my phone is ringing. Okay. I bought one of these. I think Benfuna, the tonton that is inside, still wool or whatever. And I bought Ilang one of these. It was $4.99. Simply because I bought her this plate, which was 24 bucks, $24.99. I also bought her this other, it's like a bowly thing, and it was 7 rand, I think. And I also bought still wool, which was $8.99. The reason I bought the still wool was because I use gas, and ibizazam on the outside by yellow. I think when the flame is like really going crazy, especially if it's like windy, then ziyacha on the outside. I don't know it, but ever since I've used gas and ibizazam zinjia. And I also bought this. My cousin said I should buy this. Well, I've seen this before. But I think it's a good idea, especially for those non-stick pans, because those non-stick pans, those ones that I bought from Pep, they are non-stickish, but now they stick because they've got like that yellow residue from the gas stove. So I think this will be like a better option and actually remove the non-stick. So yeah, and then I also bought this skaftina from Mambo's. It was 49 bucks. I want to put things like soups. I do have like a spice, what is it, those 3-tier spice thingies. but I want to put things like soup, something like the extra rice, extra anything that I'm going to hide. I want to put it in here. I don't know if it's mostly like the soups, because I'd like to see the soups and I'd like to see when I have soups, but I think I'll use this for the extras. Yeah, let me say the extras for now, and then maybe I'll go and buy one of those clear pep things for like the soups. But I did think that I was gonna put like soups and all those extra stuff.
What it took to making you like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find. Like
hey guys, I'm actually. Hi guys, where are you? Oh, there we go. Hi guys. Say hi, hello. Okay. Crickets. I'm actually on my way to the car wash now. I think I haven't been to the car wash in 5 years. Yeah, probably. Like Ndihlale car wash, I obviously take my car to the car wash. Well, no, I'm lying. I don't. I have someone to take the car to the car wash, as it should be. So I haven't been to the car wash, like just sit at the car wash, probably like 5 years. Anxiety. I hate car washes because you find you have to play nice even though you don't want to talk. So yes. Pressing down, baby. Come up, okay. So I absolutely hate the car wash. But I'm going now because I have to go to the car wash. I'm probably gonna have like a car washer. Okay, someone takes the car wash. No, we can't do it. Yeah. Let me just go. Yes. Oh, you're on with me.
You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you.
Okay.
You know I miss you. And I said, darling, all I want for sure. All I want for sure. In your arms I feel secure. I feel secure. Darling, feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Oh, baby. Oh, I miss you, darling.
Your hair is bomb. Your hair stays winning.
You know I miss you, baby.
Hi guys. Vela. Hlala phansi. Where's the car removing himself? Anyway, we're on our way. Hi guys. We're on our way out. So I have a cake that I have to bake tomorrow. So we're going to buy that. I've basically got all the cake stuff. I just need like more icing sugar. I think you're underneath tonight. More icing sugar and what's this? More icing sugar and boxes. Yeah.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down to go, down to go. Ooh. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. In the past, worry about the present. How do I make it last? Oh, make it last. In the past, thinking about the future. Is it gonna be like that? 'Cause I'm looking.
I'm actually almost at the school. I get a bit earlier than I wanted to be, but get not now, but me a bit earlier. What the heck? Yeah. But me a little bit earlier.
I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more.
Yeah, let me just park quickly and then.
Yeah, girl, you know I miss you.
Oh yeah, we parked. So hi guys. I guess guys are from Stulwe. She literally doesn't want to sit on her chair. There's a chair. Why am I from Stulwe? Why am I from Stulwe? Why am I from Stulwe? Tell me from Stulwe. Goodbye. Why? It's okay. Come from Stulwe, so the baglo crisis stuff now. Yeah, guys, but yeah, I'm here. Go. I saw Vuvu. What happened? I saw, but I can't see him anymore now. It's so cold. I wanted to be here quite early because oh yeah, the teacher. I think the teacher just wrote something, but she's away or something. There you go.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Anyway.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die.
not behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I want to lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose my